boat is taking big Glenmorlander reservoir. Only those guys can have a sailing boat or boat. Amazing. Watch this out, my friends. It's been melted. Regardless all the ice that was all around all winter. Yes, there is no more ice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Unreal. That's mean it's really spring is on there beside last 24 hours. 5 centimeters of snow. But you probably have seen it on video early morning. How the weather changed. All this water reservoir was icy last week. It was nice. But the duck, my Donald duck just flew, 3 of them. So I missed them. We'll see if we'll catch them again if they come back. But it's pretty chilly out here. So nice to see. The reservoir back. Of wood. Lovely. Pretty windy. What, the one on the right and the one on the left? A family renewing. Maybe a couple renewing. Lovey-dovey. Wow. Holy. That's when you love somebody, you go so fast. Oh, what a nice couple. Let's keep watching them. What a nice harmony. Now they're gonna stick together. I think if I pronounce it correct, called Malraux duck. Very beautiful duck. I gave them a nickname called Donald Duck. Nice. See, this is what you see down here. It's the water flow for extra water to calm whatever. Those are clean water. Let the rain come, take it, and you can see how nice it's make. And believe it or not, you have to go slow, because I don't like my video going fast. I got a couple meat of whatever food they can find. See, they're off the water, so maybe they can eat something. Nice. Oh, what a nice couple. One was in the water, one was in the air, now they are both together. Family renewing. Nice. We should learn from those oiseaux, those birds. Nature, think how to live in harmony together instead to fight, to steal, to lie, to cheat. Good time. Serenity in front of our eyes. So nice. Lovely. Hope you like it. Now we say, come back. I want it with his duck. Donald Duck. Take a swim. He's scared his partner so flew away. This one is still around. Look how beautiful it is. I've already put those big plastic floating so people can come and have a romantic walk on it, especially in the middle of the summer, and enjoy the view. Yeah, you can hear the waves. Nice. Where did he go? He's gone. Ah, nice. That's how you tight all those big plastic so they'll be secure for walking. Lovely. Now duck still out of the water. You can come here every day, especially now there's no more ice, and enjoy the view. Look at this, how nice it is. Yes, this is our duck. This is the storm water now. Nice. Bubble, bubble, bubble all around. Just like my nice lady have to take her bubble bath. Lovely! But not this cold water. Here we go. Store it for the night, so nobody can take a trip on the reservoir. And on the bottom left side we got our friendly duck. Nice, huh? I love those moments, special. They just fall, they was drilled. I miss them. Yes. So nice. I think there's another one come from the sky and he's gone. I was hoping to see him. But no. There was a lot of snow this morning. And finally it's not clear. Still very chilly. Lovely. Nice, huh? Yes. Welcome to this beautiful site where I go in the summer or earlier and watch them. Oh, here, one that just flew, and we'll see him when he's in the water. Yeah. We'll walk slowly. And he just arrived. Where is he? Ah, here is he. See, I told you there was three, so now there is two. They love it. Cold or not cold, having a good time. You can see the other side still have snow. But here it's all melted. Oh, he feels good. So much water to swim. Nice, huh? Lovely.